Okay, everybody, here's a quick review I told you I'd get for you. A reminder what we're doing is we're stating our opinion on a current issue topic. You're trying to find three supports for that topic and really develop those with credible sources. Reminder, procon.org, not a credible source. They're just an engine that grabs ideas, so make sure you're not using that one. But three supports, credible sources. Now, hopefully your introduction is already done, but remind you to do the introduction. First, I'm looking for his attention grabber, statistic or quote. Don't start with a question. Make sure it's something and you cite the source right away. After the attention grabber, you give me a statement of belief without saying I or my. Then give me your three supports, just a quick overview of the three supports you're going to share later in your paper, and then end with your thesis, which is a much stronger way to say that you are right. When I looked over your introductions, again, some of the common problems that I found were in your attention grabbers, you were using procon.org, which again is just an engine that pulls together all sorts of ideas. When you get to procon.org, look for those little numbers in the articles. Here I pulled up the one from procon.org today on, I believe this is College, Free College. Click the number, find the actual source, and use that rather than procon.org. Once you have your attention grabber in place, then you want to make the next line your statement of belief. Again, in class, we said college tuition should be free. If that's your point of view, state that. After that, give me your three supports, and finally get me to your thesis, which would be your full explanation of why you think it should be free. You can incorporate some of your resources if need be, or incorporate some of your supports if need be. But again, be ready for me to argue with you on whatever you choose. After you've got your thesis in place, we move on to the second paragraph. The second paragraph is when we're not worried so much about the hook because the hook is going to be there, the transition will be there from your first paragraph. But you take your weakest of your three supports and develop it more. I mean, it might be go do some more research, go look online, see if you can find another article, dig back into procon.org and see if you can glean any more information from them. When you go to paragraph 3, now you're making your hook. And again, we're going to transition up rather than down as you start your third paragraph. Not only do I believe this, also this is true. And then you go on to your second support and fill that in. Once your second support is done, you're on to paragraph 4. Paragraph 4 should be your strongest point. This is the one that's really going to set home what you want to get done. And again, you will transition into your other two paragraphs. But the main reason that we believe this should happen is, and let us have it there. Once you get all that done, you get down to the conclusion. The conclusion now again, the transition will happen automatically, but the conclusion is where you're going to tell us what you believe. You're going to restate your thesis, restate your supports, and you're going to try to offer some kind of a solution, or what people might say against you, but why you're right. Again, in class, we gave several examples. So hopefully that'll help you work your way through. Good luck at your papers done. We will see you in class.